Let's dive into an example to help you better understand how to talk about your work experience. Imagine you worked at McDonald's as a student. Let's see what you can say about your experience and what it says about you and your skills.
Let's look at the first point.
Maintained a high standard of customer service during high volume, fast-paced operations.
What does it tell us? This tells us that you are able to consistently deliver quality results under pressure, which is a fantastic trait to have in any role. Think about how this trait can be an asset for any job you interview for.
The second point is
Communicated clearly and positively with coworkers and management.
if you communicated clearly and positively with co-workers and management, this highlights your strong communication and collaboration skills, as well as your ability to build relationships within an organization. You're a team player and an asset to any team.
Next, we have
Mastered point-of-service computer system for automated order taking.
another great point is that you mastered the point-of-service computer system for automated order taking. This is a fantastic skill to have, especially in a career in digital where you'll need to manage different platforms, software, and apps to produce marketing results. Be sure to relate this point with any relevant certification.
In the digital industry, technology and software are constantly evolving. So being able to quickly adapt to new tools and systems is crucial. If you have experience learning and using new technologies in your previous roles, be sure to highlight that in your job interviews.
Next, we have
Handled currency and credit transactions quickly and accurately.
you also handled currency and credit transactions quickly and accurately, showing that you are good with numbers, and you are detail and process-oriented. This is a great point to highlight if you worked at a bank, as a cashier, or any similar experience you had involving trading or dealing with finances.
Then we have a point about following procedures.
Followed procedures for safe food preparation, assembly, and presentation.
It shows that you are process-oriented. You understand the goals and expectations of your tasks and you can follow a set of rules to make sure to deliver consistent results. You can also alert if you identify inefficient workflows and suggest new ways to improve how the job is done.
The next one is about inventory control and stock ordering. It reads,
Assisted management with inventory control and stock ordering.
this is huge. First, it tells you that you can go above and beyond. You can do your job but also understand how planning and budgeting are done for the whole operation. It means that you know how to read the data and use it to forecast the evolution of the activity, allocate resources accordingly, and anticipate future needs. This is a great strategic skill to have and a great asset in any digital job.
Data analysis is a key skill in many digital roles. So if you have experience analyzing data to identify trends and insights, make sure to mention it. This shows that you have a data-driven mindset and are able to make informed decisions based on data.
The next point values the ability to build a loyal clientele. It says,
Built loyal clientele through friendly interactions and consistent appreciation.
it goes without saying that this one is huge, especially for any client-facing job. It means that you can provide excellent customer service, but also have strong interpersonal skills and a great personality that directly benefits the business. Clients trust you and buy more from you. This point is hard to prove, but if you have, show client reviews and feedback notes to prove this point.
The next one is
Resolve complaints promptly and professionally.
this is the other side of what a great client-facing person is. How do you deal with difficult or bad clients? Can you turn a negative situation into a positive outcome? If you can, it shows your human skills and your diplomatic approach to tense situations. You are tempered and empathetic. You know how to make the right decisions without being overwhelmed by stress and emotions.
Next, we have
Cross-trained and coordinated scheduling with team members to ensure seamless service.
which is a point about your cross-training abilities and your capacity to coordinate with colleagues to get the job done. Again, this shows that you have excellent communication skills, a strong work ethic, and always prioritize the mission over your interest. You are a true team player who can lead naturally, and both clients and colleagues appreciate you.
Collaboration is key in the digital industry, as different teams often need to work together to achieve a common goal. If you have experience working collaboratively with cross-functional teams, make sure to highlight it. This shows that you have strong communication and teamwork skills. And finally, we have
Took initiative to find extra tasks when scheduled duties were completed.
Let's not forget about the fact that you went above and beyond by taking the initiative to find extra tasks when your scheduled duties were completed. This is a clear indication of your motivation and enthusiasm as a team player, always willing to do more than what is expected of you. People admire those who take charge and proactively seek out opportunities to contribute, instead of waiting to be directed. So, be sure to highlight this quality during your job interviews and explain what the outcomes of your proactive mindset were. Remember, recruiters tend to value candidates who demonstrate a positive attitude and a strong work ethic, even more than those who have impressive qualifications but lack enthusiasm.
These are just a few examples of things you can say based on your experience in a restaurant or fast food setting, but there are so many other things you could talk about based on everything you've done so far. Keep it up.